Okay, everyone, so I find the problem. So the problem was two things. It wasn't just the lever. It was also the button over here. But now, as you see, kind of works. Now I have headlights. It works. And also this is the guide. So everything's work. It works fine. Yeah, I found this. Not sure what it was, but it was there. Looked like some sort of ring. I don't know. Maybe someone in Japan know what this is. Don't know what it came from, but I'll just leave it there. It belongs to the car. I would say that. So this is it. To take this piece off the car, it's kind of hard. You will see first like two bolts on the top, two underneath over there, each side. But there is two hidden right there, and one more is hidden here. So you have to unscrew the bolt right there, and there are four bolts plus two for the hood latch. So this has to come off, so you have just enough room to pry this open, just like that. And to get this part off, you will have to pry on the column, the steering column, as much as possible. So you have clearance to slide that out. And inside of there, it's kind of hard. You can't probably pull this off, but I just took the whole piece of the car, flipped it over, and once I've looked the connection over there, there was like a little bit of oxidation, rust, and some stuff. So I cleaned that up with a little sanded paper. I've put like that on a screwdriver, which I hold like that, so I can wiggle this inside the connection and just clean the little tab inside the connector. And I spray like simple WD-40. It works great. Clean the old dirt and whatever was inside and make the contact malfunction, or I don't know, but it works. Really happy. So this is my little contribution to all of you guys who are owning a Skyline and maybe feel lost a little bit when something has happened, something is broken, and you feel like it's the end of the world and you're gonna have to pay a lot of money. Now this is just simple fixing stuff, and it's like working on anything else. And I will say working on a Skyline, it's great. It's super simple. It's pretty much like any other Japanese car. If you have ever worked on the Honda Civic, it's pretty much the same, except it is a Skyline. So this is it, guy. You have a little bit more information. And on to this part right there. I've took the whole setup apart, clean everything. I opened the little plastic pieces right there and just pop the back off and clean the contact once again with a little tiny sanding paper that I'm just inserting underneath those little contact that pretty much look like a point from an old snowmobile. It pretty much look the same. So you just clean those, and you have also the for the flasher left and right. So you have to pop the whole assembly apart so you get access underneath. But if it's just like the high beam and low beam that having like one or the other having a problem, you might just be able to pop the little cover off on the back and fix it. And be gentle. If you take your time, you'll be able to take that out and without breaking anything. So it's super simple. So this is it, guys. My old Nissan Skyline r32. This is my best car ever. And sometime, yeah, you find this, and it doesn't tell you much. It's kind of annoying sometimes to have all of those Japanese stuff. I don't know what the hell it say, but maybe once I will be able to translate all of this. I don't know. So I wish you guys having a great day. If you're doing the same thing as I wish you good luck. I hope it works for you. And as I say, take your time. Doing it yourself, it's way more simple than it looks, and you might be able to fix the car and having a light at night. So see you again.